Hey guys, thanks for checking out my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Korean fried chicken, or at least my version of it. If you saw my last video on how to break down a chicken, this is the perfect way to use it, and it's what I did. So follow along as we go through the steps. Cheers. So the first thing you want to do is you take your wings, your drumsticks, your thighs, and you're going to season them. This will be in the fridge for 24 hours. So you're going to take your chili paste, and you really want to make sure it coats all the chicken. Then add your buttermilk. The buttermilk is acidic and will actually help break down the chicken a little bit and get all the flavor through it. After 24 hours, drain the buttermilk, and this is how we'll start our dredging process. It's going to be a simple egg wash, and then into flour and cornstarch mix. In that flour cornstarch mix, we'll also add some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. You can use any kind of seasonings that you'd like. This is a nice base for whatever kind of style fried chicken you are making. You don't always necessarily have to put an egg wash, but I think it just helps the cornstarch and flour stick just a little bit better. Once you go through and have all the chicken ready, make sure to start getting your oil to the right temperature, which is 350 degrees. You want to start off by cooking the dark meat first, like your drumsticks and your thighs. Once those have cooked for a little bit, like about 2 or 3 minutes, then you can finally add your chicken wings, your breast, and you just want to make sure that your heat is always around 350, so consistently check with the temperature and then go higher if you need to. I use a basic canola oil to fry my chicken, but any neutral oil will work. Something with a high smoking point. Chicken's all done. We can pull it out. I put it on a roasting tray, drain some of that oil off. I like a little bit chili sauce as my glaze, and then I throw it in the oven for about 5 minutes. Once that's done, you'll be ready to serve and enjoy some of the best fried chicken you've ever had. There's your thigh, your wing, and your drumstick. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, comment, and like. Cheers, guys. Much love.